guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in my bathroom because I am going to do a wash day with you guys, and it is finally the long awaited, well, it's long awaited for me because I bought this since the last Sephora savings haul sale, which I think would have been in like November. Anyway, so today I'm finally going to be using the Olaplex system. This set, this is the gift set, and it comes with the number 3, which is the hair perfector bond treatment, I think, and then the number 4, which is the bond maintenance shampoo, the number 5, which is the bond maintenance conditioner, and then it also comes with the number 6, which is a bond smoother, which is like a leave-in smoothing cream. Just got done watching some videos just to make sure I use it correctly because I want to really get the full experience. And also the spring savings sale is coming around, so I really want to try it out to see if I like it or if my hair likes it really, so that I'll know if it makes sense to purchase, like just repurchase one time with the VIB discount off. Without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. Olaplex has been here forever. A lot of people rave about it. I don't think I've really seen, well, I don't think I've gone looking for, but I also don't think I've seen any negative reviews of the Olaplex system, except for the price. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this for my wash day today. Last time I washed my hair was 2 weeks ago. So I have detangled and separated my hair into 4 parts. So from what I've seen on the instructions, I have to apply the number 3, which is the first step, before shampoo and also on damp hair. So I have my spray bottle here, so I'm just gonna go in. As you guys know, my issues with my hair is really breakage and shedding, or really shedding and breakage. So I think the Olaplex system is really supposed to target that, and so that's what I'm hoping for. And then one video that I just saw said, I hope this is not getting my camera. Yeah, one video that I just saw also said that once your hair is dry, once your hair dries, the number 3 stops working or becomes ineffective. So for as long as the hair is damp or wet, is as long as the treatment will continue to work. So I think I got my hair pretty wet. I'm actually going to take off all my rings, and this nail is trying to come off. I just realized that, so I might have to put a band-aid on it so that it doesn't catch my hair. Okay, so I found a glove. Okay, so right now I'm literally like 5 weeks and a day post relaxer. So I probably didn't necessarily need to part my hair in these parts, but just to make sure that all my hair gets coated evenly, I separated it. Okay, so it has a really nice clean and fresh scent, and that's how much I'm going in with first. Oh, what I forgot to say is that each bottle is 100 ml, or 3.3 fluid ounces. So it's really not that much. And that's the full size. Like, of the number 3, I think that's the full size. I don't think Sephora carries a bigger size than that. And of the other stuff in this set, only I think the shampoo and the conditioner comes in a bigger size. So the size that's in here is actually $14. But literally everything else in the set and every part of their product line is $28. So I'm just gonna detangle again. I'm kind of skeptical, like I'm not even too sure if all my strands in this section got enough, but I really don't want to use this whole bottle on my head. Like, that's probably like overkill. Anyway, so I'm gonna continue putting this on the rest of these sections. Okay, so now that I've done applying the Number 3, to all sections of my hair. I'm gonna cover it with a cap, and then they say to leave it on for 10 minutes. So we have 10 minutes on the clock. Again. Alright, so I'm back and now I am in my shower. We're about to wash this out. It's actually been more than 10 minutes. I got caught up doing something. Anyway, we are gonna go in with the number 4, the Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Okay, so I'm just gonna really, like I said, I'm only 5 weeks post, so there's not, oh, my hair feels really nice. There's not much hair, like new growth on my head, so it's not really that difficult. This also has a nice clean scent. It almost gives me, I think, like it kind of smells a bit citrusy. The shampoo is sulfate free. If you take a look at the ingredient list, you might see ingredients that look similar to like sodium lauryl sulfate, which is, you know, one of the ingredients that we try to stay away from. I mean, that is the sulfates that we talk about when we say sulfate free. So one of the ingredients that looks similar is something called disodium lauryl sulfosuccinate, and there's another one called sodium lauryl sarcosinate, and they are both surfactants just like the sulfates. However, they are chemically different so as not to cause the same damage as sulfates will, and so they aren't harsh on the hair. There's also hydrolyzed vegetable protein as well as biotin. I'm definitely seeing in the ingredient list, so at least those two definitely would make, you know, the shampoo a quote-unquote protein shampoo. However, that did not make, you know, that did not have much of an effect on my hair as I was washing it with the shampoo. Definitely didn't make my hair feel hard or stiff. My hair also did not feel stripped of moisture, and even with the first wash, as you saw, there was a good lather of the shampoo in my hair. So all in all, so far, definitely a good experience. So I just got out the shower. All my microfiber towels are dirty apparently. So I have been t-shirt drying my hair maybe for about 3 minutes. It really hasn't been that long. So let's see how my hair feels. The washing process really wasn't bad at all. As you saw, I did 2 washes, or 2 shampoos really, because as I said, my hair was dirty. Like I hadn't washed my hair for 2 weeks and I was feeling like it was really dirty. So I went with 2 washes and it really lathered up really well, even on the first wash. So that was good. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're going in with the conditioner now. Before we get there, how's my hair feel? It feels good. Like whilst washing it out and everything, it felt like my hair was very clean, but it also does not feel like at all stripped. Like I honestly believe that I was in the shower for a little bit while, because I felt like if there was still more shampoo in my hair, but was rinsing clean. So my hair feels really nice. It feels, as I said, it feels like if it's moisturized. That doesn't smell as good as the shampoo. Anyway, here you go. Consistency. Anyway. Oh wow, this feels nice. This definitely feels nice. On the hair, it feels like it is giving it a lot of slip. It feels really nice. With this hand, not the glove. I'm going to put a little bit on my scalp. Like inside here. First impressions, again, first thoughts on the conditioner as I apply it. Like I said, it feels very, very nice. Like it feels like if it's gonna condition my hair well. It's very slippery. Even for the conditioner, it seemed pretty thick, but it's really aiding like a really nice glide over the hair strands. Okay, so I just got done applying the number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner to my hair, and I'm gonna also cover it with my hothead. The directions say to leave it on for 3 minutes, but that's not gonna happen. I'll probably leave it on for like half an hour or 45 minutes, and this provides additional heat, especially since I'm just going to be using this. I'm not using any additional deep conditioner, so I'm leaving it in for a bit longer, and I'll be back to show you guys. Well, yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so it's probably honestly been about an hour. I am headed to go in to wash out the conditioner right now, but I just really wanted to tell you guys, like, my hair feels really nice and soft. Not even gonna front, it just feels really good. Okay, so even after rinsing out the conditioner, my hair still feels good. It really does still feel good. Moisturized, it feels conditioned, it feels good. I'm really not complaining, it does feel good. Now I'm gonna go in with the last step, which is the number 6 Bond Smoother. This is a leave-in reparative styling cream. It's said to apply very small amount to damp or dry hair, concentrating product on your mid-length to ends, comb through, and style as desired. I am going to be doing a roller set. For my roller sets, I do have like 4 leave-in products that I usually use, but I'm just really going to try this. And because I don't have the number 7, which is the bonding oil, just going to use the L'Oreal oil that I use all the time to just have something else to hold this in, I guess. And usually I would also dry out my hair a little bit more before going in with the roller set, but because I don't have any liquid products to spray in my hair, because I'm just really going to be using this, I'm just going to leave my hair as it is. So wow, so this is a very thick product, and it's at a small amount, so I'm just going to use this and see how that feels. Okay, it doesn't really feel, doesn't really feel any specific how right now. Yeah, it's not really giving me anything, extra special. Still does feel conditioned. It's not taking away from the niceness that my hair was and has been experiencing throughout this whole process. I just wanted to show you guys how easily the whole detangling process is right now with the what number is that? 6 and the oil. Like, this is low-key making me feel to flat iron my hair. Like, I feel like this will give a really good flat iron result, but I'm just gonna roll a set and call that George. This is the amount of shedding I had for this entire wash day, from the detangle before even putting in the number 3 straight down till I think the detangling after putting in my roller set. I always talk about my shedding but never show you guys, so let me know if you think this is a lot. I mean, I think it's a lot. I don't really want all of that, but let me know. Okay, so we are back. It's the next day. So my hair does feel good still. I do feel like, like some creams, they have that leave that creamy feeling on your hands. So I do feel that on my hand as I was going through my hair. So maybe I did use a little bit too much of the number 6 leave-in cream. Even if that might be the case, my hair doesn't necessarily feel weighed down. And so all in all, I definitely did enjoy the wash day process and the final results. Would I use the Olaplex system again? Definitely I would. And like I mentioned earlier, the Sephora Spring Savings Sale is open to me in like 3 days, I think, on the 13th. And so I already have every step from 0 to 8, because they just came out with, I think, 0 and number 8, from 0 to 8 in my basket. I think I am definitely going to be buying the bigger size of the conditioner, in addition to everything else. So I will be purchasing and re-upping products that I have not yet finished. Even though I only just use the product for the first time, I do think it is something that I would be using again. And so especially for the cost of the items, I definitely want to get them right now, as I can get them on sale right now. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're thinking about maybe trying out Olaplex and you are still on the fence about it, maybe this video may have helped you to make your decision into trying it out. If you're a local gal, I'm gonna have some pages linked below as to where you can get the Olaplex stuff locally. Not sure if it's all, but definitely I've seen pages selling the number 3 and the number 3, the oil, and the shampoo and conditioner. So I'm gonna link some pages down below for you to access if you don't or can't buy from Sephora or any other online stores. Make sure to comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.